There's the airplane.
Where's the airplane?
There's the airplane.
Wow. Eat.
Eat.
Okay. You want malunggay?
No. Yes.
Yes. Malunggay is good.
Manga is good.
It's very nutritious. Very good. It's your tissue. You want fish? Yeah? Here's your fish.
Where's Nanay?
Upstairs.
Where's Baby Mary?
Sleeping. She's sleeping.
Where's Monster?
The monster is inside your tummy. If you're not going to eat, the monster will come out. And he's gonna say, I'm gonna eat you because I'm hungry. Eat. Eat now. Open your mouth. Here's the food.
Mom, where's
You're sleepy because you did not sleep.
where's Daddy? Mommy, where's Daddy?
In front of you.
Where's Monster?
I said it's inside your tummy. Daddy's in front of you. We're eating. Here. Wow, eat more rice. More rice. So that after this, you can have your shower.
Your Batman.
Where's the Batman?
Where's your Batman?
Upstairs. A Batman upstairs.
What you've got from Daddy? Batman and airplane. What have you done to the... What? To the color blue na ano? Ay, to the... To your... Ano ba yung isa to? Batman.
Kabilar eating leaf.
That's malunggay. Malunggay is good.
Longga is good.
Eat.
Leaf kabilar.
Come. Oh, very good. See, you know how to use your tissue now.
Here's the airplane.
That's your airplane.
Dito mo natin kain ng pangbabata.
Here's the crane.
Oo. Fish. Yummy fish.
Mommy, here's the crane.
Eat first before playing. Oh.